Meet the chinchilla, nature's fluffiest science experiment. With their oversized ears, impossibly soft fur, and Olympic-level jumping skills, these little rodents are basically a mashup of a bunny, a squirrel, and a clown. But what makes them so fascinating from a biological standpoint? Let's jump in. First off, what is a chinchilla? Scientifically speaking, it belongs to the family Chinchillidae, making it a rodent. Native to the Andes Mountains in South America, chinchillas are built for high-altitude living, where it gets cold. Really cold. And speaking of cold weather, let's talk about their famous fur. Chinchillas have the densest fur of any land mammal, up to 80 hairs per follicle. For comparison, humans have just 1 hair per follicle. That's like putting on 80 sweaters at once. Cozy, but also why they never, ever take a regular bath. Water gets trapped in their fur, so they take dust baths instead, rolling in volcanic ash like tiny spa enthusiasts. Now, let's talk senses. Those giant ears aren't just for show, they help chinchillas detect predators and regulate body temperature. Their long whiskers are also packed with nerve endings, helping them navigate tight spaces in the wild. Basically, chinchillas are little, fuzzy survival experts. If you think your pet cat is a skilled jumper, wait until you see a chinchilla in action. These little guys can jump up to 6 feet in the air, thanks to their powerful hind legs. That's like a human jumping onto the roof of a house, without a trampoline. Fun fact: chinchilla teeth never stop growing. Just like other rodents, they have to gnaw on things constantly to keep their teeth in check. Otherwise, they'd look like tiny, adorable saber-toothed monsters. Chinchillas are highly social animals, often found in colonies called herds. In the wild, this helps them stay safe from predators. In captivity, it means they thrive with companionship. Also, they have one of the longest gestation periods among rodents, about 111 days. That's over 3 months. But the payoff? Baby chinchillas, called kits, are born with a full coat of fur and eyes wide open, ready to take on the world. Did you know chinchillas have a surprisingly wide range of vocalizations? They squeak, chirp, grunt, and even let out alarm calls when they sense danger. These sounds help them communicate with their fellow chinchillas, whether they're playing, warning of predators, or just complaining about their roommate stealing all the hay. Thinking about adopting a chinchilla? Great choice, but they're not your typical low-maintenance pet. They require a specialized diet of hay and pellets, a spacious cage with plenty of climbing room, and of course, regular dust baths. Plus, they can live up to 20 years. That's a long-term commitment to fluffy companionship. Unfortunately, wild chinchilla populations have declined due to hunting for their luxurious fur. Thankfully, conservation efforts are in place to protect them. So if you ever get the chance to see one, appreciate it, not just for its cuteness, but for its incredible biology. Chinchilla's social nature can reflect the importance of community and fellowship, as emphasized in Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verses 9 to 10. 2 are better than 1. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. Just like chinchillas thrive in herds, we are meant to support and uplift each other in faith. And there you have it, chinchillas, the fluffiest, bounciest, most scientifically fascinating rodents out there. Remember to support and keep lifting others up just like chinchillas do to each other. See you next time.